Hi everyone, welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to show you how you can prevent a program from accessing the internet. To find the desired program, go to the search section of Windows 10 and type the name of the desired program. For example, I search Logic's duplicate file finder software. Then we click on Open File Location. We right-click on the program and select Properties. From the Target section, copy the address of the program's storage location. Just be careful not to copy the quotation mark. Then paste it in a place like text document. Well, in the next step, we search for the control panel. We click on Open. In the View By section, select Small Icons. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Advanced Settings. Click on Outbound Rules. Click on New Rule. Note that the program option is checked. Click on Next. Now copy the address in the text document and paste it in the This Program Path field. Click on Next. We select the Block the Connection option. Click on Next. Make sure that all three options Domain, Private and Public are checked. Click on Next. In this section, we type a name for the new settings. For example, I type Block Internet Access 1. Finally, we click on Finish. Well, by doing these steps, we blocked the desired program from accessing the internet. If we want to allow the program to access the internet, we go to the Advanced Settings again. Click on Outbound Rules. Right-click on Block Internet Access 1 and click Disable Rule. In this case, the program will access the internet as before. We will enable it again. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. Thanks for watching this video.